Honesty is everything and is a must. Since our childhood, the time when we started studying, school days, since school days, we have been listening that honesty is a best policy, one of the quote which everyone knows that. So, yes, honesty is really essential, it's everything. If honest person is there, we can blindly trust on them. But uh, nowadays, in that cutthroat competitions, even for small benefit, because of small benefit also people can go to any extent. So nowadays it's a very difficult to get honest person. But as per my understanding, if you are having someone honest, please respect them. It's very difficult to get nowadays honest person, be it your family member, be it your friend, be it your team members, anyone. There are people, exceptions are always there. We all know that people are maximum in red ocean where everything is common, cutthroat competition is there, they are not thinking beyond that. But at the same time, as we are saying that there are a group of people who are always trying to be part of blue ocean, still they are honest. We know that King Harishchand, in Pandava, the elder brother Yudhishthir, they were known for their honesty. Even though whatever is the situation, whatever is the circumstances, they never compromise with their honesty, and that is why people were trusted them. Even whenever honesty talk is going on, people are easily taking their name because they were like that. In Yudhishthira case, when Mahabharat was going on, when Bhim started telling that Aswasthama died, his father, Guru Dronacharya, the only one person he remembered that I should go to Yudhishthira to get the correct answer, because he was honest. He never tell lie. So even though he was in opposition he was part of Kaurava, but still he was having trust that if I go to Pandava side and meet Yudhishthira, he will give me the correct answer. So this is the beauty of honest. Whatever is the situation, I would say, friends, we have to be honest, because to get that tag of honest, it takes time, and it take very less time to spoil it. So be honest, things will always work. It takes some time, but at the end it will work for you. Thank you so much for watching, friends.